Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see what is copy constructor in Java. In previous video we saw what is default constructor and what is parameterized constructor. If you have not watched that video, you can go watch. I will put the link in my description. Okay. So basically copy constructor in Java, a copy constructor is a special type of constructor that creates an object using another object of the same class. So the main motive of to use copy constructor is using the another object of the class. If we want to create any other object, then we can create by using the object previous object. Okay, it returns a duplicate copy of existing object of the class. So it will return the duplicate copy of the existing object. Okay, we can assign a value to the final field, but the same cannot be done while using the clone method. It is used if we want to create a deep copy of existing object. It is easier to implement in comparison to clone method. So we try to avoid clone method and we try to make copy constructor. Okay, we'll see the use of this copy constructor. Create a copy of an object that has multiple fields. If there are not many fields are there in any class, okay, if we want the exact copy of any object, then we do not need to put it manually. We can directly pass the object and we can get the copy of that object. Generate a deep copy of the heavy objects. Avoid the usage of object.clone. As we talked about this, we avoid using object.clone by using copy constructor. And here the deep copy of heavy objects, which means that if there are like multiple variables are there, multiple fields are there in any class, there we can say that we can use copy constructor. Better to use copy constructor. Okay, example we will see. So here I created one class. It has two fields, price and name, and there is a default constructor here. Okay, with the help of that I will create object. Okay, and here I created one copy constructor. See here the constructor has the same name, but here it takes the fruits data type here. Okay, fruits as a variable, and that price we are assigning it to the fruits price. Okay, this price, and then the name is the fruits name. Okay, so we will see practically. Okay, I will do it again. So I have created one fruits class. Okay, now this fruits class has string name, then int price, and then okay, price and int amount or weight. Okay, these three things are there. I will create one parameterized constructor as well. Here I'll pass string name, then int price, then int weight. Okay, so I will assign these values. This dot name is equal to name, this dot price is equal to price, then this dot weight is equal to weight. Okay, this is my parameterized constructor. If I want to create one object of it, we can create, let's suppose apple. Okay, new fruits. Now I need to provide all these values. String, what are the things? Name, price, and weight. Name is apple. Price is 200 kg, and then the weight is 2 kg. Okay, clear? Run this code. Now yes, object is created. I want to print something. I'll just print the name. Okay, apple dot, sorry, price I'll print. Okay, I should get price should be 200. Yeah. I should get that. Yeah, 200 I am able to get. Now if I want to create one more object with the same values, apple 2, now I need to provide again these values again and again. To avoid this, what we can do, we can create one copy constructor. Okay, it will take fruits only as parameter, and then we can assign everything, the fields here. So fruits dot name, then price, fruits dot price, then weight is equal to fruits dot weight. Okay, now I have created copy constructor. Now here copy constructor if you have created, which means if I pass the object of the if we pass the previous object, I should get the new object and the same copy of that. So let's see this. Yes, we can pass this. Okay, I'll comment it out and now print all the values of apple 2 dot name, apple 2 dot price, apple 2 dot weight. Okay, now run this code. Let's see what we are getting here. Here you can see apple 202. We are able to get this. Okay, so I created a new object, the copy of new object, sorry, copy of the previous object here just by passing this value, and here copy constructor helped me in that. Okay, I hope you are clear on this topic which is called copy constructor. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. This really motivates me a lot. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.